Hi, my name is Shanelle. Welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to show how I DIY this modern abstract art with the textured look that everybody's been talking about. So I really like how this turned out. First, I'm just starting off with a 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm using spackle. It comes in a pint. I got the $3 cheap one that you don't have to do anything to, and I got this from Walmart. I'll put it on the screen to show you exactly which one I got. But basically, I'm taking a painting spatula and I'm using that to spread all over the canvas. It doesn't dry immediately or stay in one place, so when you put it down, you don't really have to worry about it moving all over the place. Or if you put it in the wrong spot or don't like it, you can move it around as you go and like change it up. So you just see me like just trying to get it on the canvas first, and then I'll shape it how I want it to look later. Also, it's really good indoors. I didn't have to worry about it like with toxic fumes or anything that could harm me or my baby. You see he's right there in his playpen, so everything was pretty good here. So I spreaded this all out, and then I got around the edges. So I wanted to make sure that when I put the paint on the canvas that it would show the textured look all over the sides as well if the paint was to run off or anything like that. Also, what I noticed, I didn't need more than one of these. This canvas is pretty big. It's not like huge, but it is bigger than like the average size. So I thought I was going to need two. I ended up getting two, but I barely used this one. I forced myself to use all of this one pint because I think once you use it, it's over. But it dried pretty fast, and yeah, this is the next day. So I just took some old acrylic paint and I'm just squeezing it out because it's like barely any left. And I'm just going with the flow. So I spread it, I squirted it out onto the canvas, and it was a little hard with the spatula, but I just used that first before I went in with the paintbrush because I liked how it gave it that rough look, and I think it looked more authentic to what I was going for. So I used like a skinnier spatula over top of this, and it didn't like mess up the spackle that dried up on the canvas when I was doing this. It was definitely in place. So I'm just using the rest of this black acrylic paint, and I'm spreading it all over the canvas. And as you see, I'm just letting it do its own thing. I'm not trying to like really make it go into specific directions yet. I just kind of wanted to see what it would do.
Girl, let's talk about it. Yeah, babe, fuck that BD baby mama shit. No time for that. Let's switch the topic quick, cause I could talk about a lot of shit. Let's talk about them pretty eyes of yours.
Right now, I'm just going with the black only. Just seeing like what I can do with it.
Some of my wildest times for her, I thank the Lord 1,000 times. And we could talk about your hopes and dreams. Your bro and mama is your closest things. Far as girls, I know you close to Queen. Keep it real and she don't fake for cameras. A good soul, but I won't take advantage. From South Philly, like my favorite sandwich. Them other niggas, yeah, they gave you damage. But you a masterpiece to me. Shit, I ain't even had to paint the canvas. So beautiful, wish I could thank your parents. Not like these bitches with that blank appearance. Your energy so right, I can't compare it to nothing prior till you came around. It's feeling like you about to change me now.
So then I didn't want the canvas to be stark white in the background with the spackle and stuff, so I wanted to cover that up with white. I tried my best at first not to mix the black and the white, but I should have waited for the paint to dry in those spots and then added the white and took my time. But that will be a common theme in this whole tutorial / like demonstration thing, because I kind of messed up what I was going for. But I spread the white in there and it kind of made it look super rough on the background, which worked out for me. But then you see here, I just fucked my whole painting up because it looked pretty good before this. I took some off-white, like cream colored white, and I used a big paintbrush. I don't know why, and like I said, I should have waited for it to dry underneath and then went in, because it would have given me the look I was going for. You see me just trying to layer on the white for it to even come out, but it didn't help. I'm going to show it on the wall how it looked, but for the most part this is how it turned out, and hopefully you like the tutorial. Hopefully it helped. On the wall it looked way better, so hopefully this was enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.